Hey there, folks. Aklalu here, and let me tell you, the construction industry is about to get a whole lot more interesting. We're on the brink of a technological revolution that's transforming how we build, design, and even think about construction. It's not just about bricks and mortar anymore. It's about integrating cutting-edge technology to create structures that are smarter, safer, and more efficient. We're talking drones, blueprints that come to life, and buildings so smart they practically build themselves. Imagine a world where your construction site is monitored from above by drones, providing real-time data and insights. These aren't just any blueprints, they're digital blueprints that can be manipulated, viewed in 3D, and even animated to show the construction process step by step. Remember the days of squinting at paper blueprints, trying to visualize a building? Those static, two-dimensional drawings that left so much to the imagination. It was like trying to navigate a maze with one eye closed. The struggle was real and the margin for error was huge. Those days are fading fast. We're moving away from the old-school methods and embracing a new era where digital blueprints are the norm. These digital plans are not only more accurate but also more interactive, allowing for real-time updates and modifications. It's a game changer for everyone involved in the construction process. Now we're talking Building Information Modeling, or BIM for short. BIM is revolutionizing the way we approach construction projects. It's like having a digital twin of your building where every detail is meticulously planned and visualized before a single brick is laid. This technology allows for better coordination, fewer errors, and a more streamlined construction process. It's like giving those blueprints a digital heartbeat. Imagine being able to see the entire life cycle of a building from conception to completion, all in a digital format. This not only saves time, but also reduces costs and minimizes waste. It's a more sustainable way to build. Every beam, every wall, every pipe, it's all there in a three-dimensional computer model. This level of detail ensures that everyone on the project is on the same page, reducing misunderstandings and improving collaboration. It's like having a crystal-clear roadmap for your construction project. But here's where it gets really cool. Enter the drones. These high-flying marvels are changing the game in ways we never imagined. They're not just for taking fancy photos or videos anymore. They're integral tools in modern construction. These flying marvels aren't just for fancy photos anymore. Drones are now equipped with advanced sensors and cameras that can capture high-resolution images and videos, providing invaluable data for construction projects. They can survey large areas quickly, monitor progress, and even inspect hard-to-reach places, ensuring that every aspect of the build is on track. They're giving us eyes in the sky, capturing data that makes BIM even more powerful. By integrating drone data with BIM, we can create highly accurate models that reflect the real-world conditions of the construction site. This means fewer surprises, fewer delays, and a smoother construction process overall. We're talking faster builds, fewer mistakes, and buildings that are safer and more efficient. So buckle up. The combination of BIM and drone technology is setting new standards in the construction industry, making it possible to achieve levels of precision and efficiency that were once thought impossible. We're about to take a wild ride into the future of construction, where drones and BIM are working together to change the game. This is just the beginning. The future holds even more exciting advancements that will continue to push the boundaries of what's possible in construction. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. Before the first shovel hits the dirt, drones are already hard at work. Remember those old-school land surveys? Time-consuming and not always accurate, right? Drones are changing that. These high-tech surveyors can map out an entire construction site in a fraction of the time. We're talking high-resolution photos and LiDAR scans that capture every nook and cranny. LiDAR, or light detection and ranging, uses lasers to measure distances and create incredibly detailed three-dimensional maps. Think of it like giving your BIM model a super-accurate foundation to stand on. No more guesswork, just precise data that helps avoid costly surprises down the road. Okay, so we've got these awesome three-dimensional maps from our drone surveys. Now what? Well, these maps are just the beginning. They provide a detailed bird's-eye view of the construction site, capturing every nook and cranny with incredible precision. This data is invaluable because it forms the foundation for everything that comes next. This is where BIM really shines. Remember that digital heartbeat we talked about? BIM, or Building Information Modeling, is like the central nervous system of a construction project. It takes all that rich data from the drone surveys and uses it to create a dynamic, interactive model of the building. This model isn't just a static blueprint, it's a living, breathing representation of the project. It's about to get a whole lot stronger. As the drone data is fed into the BIM software, the model becomes more detailed and accurate. Every measurement, every contour of the land, every potential obstacle is accounted for. This level of detail is crucial for planning and executing a successful construction project. Software takes that drone data and seamlessly integrates it into the BIM model. This integration allows for real-time updates and adjustments. If something changes on the site, the drone can quickly survey the area again, and the new data can be incorporated into the model almost instantly. This ensures that the model is always up to date and accurate. We're talking about creating a virtual twin of the construction site before a single brick is laid. This virtual twin is an exact digital replica of the physical site, allowing architects, engineers, and construction managers to explore and interact with the site in a virtual environment. They can test different scenarios, identify potential issues, and make informed decisions before any physical work begins. This means architects and engineers can design with pinpoint accuracy, knowing exactly what they're working with. They can see how different design elements will interact with the site, make adjustments on the fly, and ensure that everything fits together perfectly. This level of precision reduces the risk of errors and rework, saving time and money. Imagine being able to see how a building will fit into the landscape, how sunlight will hit it throughout the day, even before it's built. With the virtual twin, you can do just that. You can walk through the building, explore different design options, and see how it will look and feel in its actual environment. This level of visualization helps to ensure that the final product meets the client's expectations and needs. That's the power of drones and BIM working together. By combining the detailed data from drone surveys with the dynamic modeling capabilities of BIM, we can create a more accurate, efficient, and effective construction process. This technology is revolutionizing the way we design and build, making it possible to achieve better results with less effort and fewer resources. Now the real fun begins. Imagine a world where the boundaries between the digital and physical realms blur, allowing architects and engineers to collaborate in ways never before possible. This is the magic of building information modeling, or BIM, combined with the cutting-edge technology of drones. With the BIM model up and running, architects and engineers can start playing around with different design ideas. They can visualize every aspect of the building, from the structural framework to the intricate details of the interior design, all in a virtual space. Want to move a wall? It's as simple as clicking and dragging. The software updates in real time, showing how the change impacts the rest of the design. No problem, add a floor, easy peasy. The flexibility of BIM allows for rapid prototyping and iteration, making it easier to explore multiple design options without the need for physical models. BIM lets you do all of this in the digital world without breaking a sweat. The intuitive interface and powerful tools make it accessible for both seasoned professionals and newcomers alike. But here's where drones add another layer of awesome. These flying marvels can capture high-resolution images and videos of the construction site, providing real-time updates and detailed overviews that are invaluable for project management. Remember those clash detections I mentioned earlier? This feature is a game-changer in preventing costly mistakes. BIM software can actually flag potential problems before they happen in the real world. It identifies issues like structural conflicts or design inconsistencies, allowing teams to address them proactively. Think pipes running into beams or ductwork that doesn't fit. These are the kinds of problems that can derail a project. But with BIM, they can be caught and corrected early on. And when it's time to show off the design to clients, forget those boring old presentations. Instead, you can offer an immersive experience that truly brings the project to life. Drones and BIM can create immersive, interactive experiences that let clients virtually walk through the building. Talk about a game changer. This not only impresses clients, but also helps them understand the design better, leading to more informed decisions and a smoother project workflow. All right, let's get this show on the road. With the design finalized, it's time to start building. And you better believe drones are right there on the front lines, keeping things moving smoothly. Remember those daily progress reports that used to take forever? Drones can capture aerial photos and videos that give project managers a real-time view of the entire site. Need to track materials? Drones can do that too, using RFID tags to keep tabs on everything. And let's not forget about safety. Drones can inspect hard-to-reach areas like roofs and scaffolding, keeping workers out of harm's way. They can even be equipped with thermal cameras to detect potential hazards, like overheating equipment. We all know that mistakes happen, especially on complex construction projects, but with drones and BIM, those mistakes don't have to turn into budget-busting disasters. Drones equipped with high-resolution cameras can inspect the work as it's being done, comparing it to the BIM model in real time. Spot a wall that's slightly off, a beam that's not quite level. The drone will catch it, allowing for quick and easy adjustments before it becomes a major headache. This kind of precision not only saves time and money, but it also ensures that the finished building meets the highest quality standards. Congratulations! The building is complete, but the journey's not over yet. Remember that digital twin we created way back at the beginning? It's about to become your new best friend. The digital twin is a living, breathing replica of the building, constantly updated with data from sensors and drones. This means you can monitor everything from energy consumption to air quality to security systems, all from a single dashboard. But here's the really cool part. The digital twin can actually predict potential problems before they even happen. Think of it like a crystal ball for your building, allowing you to address issues proactively and keep things running smoothly for years to come. So there you have it, folks. From site surveys to digital twins, drones and BIM are transforming the construction industry right before our eyes. And the best part, this is just the beginning. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications for drones and BIM in the years to come. So whether you're an architect, a builder, or just someone who's fascinated by the future of construction, there's never been a more exciting time to be a part of this incredible industry. And now, who's ready to build something amazing?